Hello, I'm going to be showing you my notes and notebooks that I've created. I created the alphabet, hobbies, my favorites, and then personal. And then like under my favorites, I have different notes about like favorite foods, favorite songs, favorite drinks. And then for the alphabet, I have two different notes. One about activities, one about teaching. And then here's a link where I have made edits. This has lots of different fun activities that will be helpful in the classroom. And I said reading is very important, reading alphabet books. And then this website has great examples of different alphabet books. And then, I don't know. And then for this one, for teaching the alphabet, 5 ways to teach the alphabet. This blog was written by a mom and she has great ideas. And she talks about how hearing, seeing, saying the alphabet is all so important. I added that note. And then she just gives different activities. She recommended books. Puzzles are a great idea. And then for how to teach the alphabet for this different website, I noted that to keep it fun, memorable, rhyming helps, hearing, saying, writing, singing the alphabet as often as possible is a good idea to help learn the alphabet.